Today I have a very, very important and amazing Bitcoin fact for you. Something that will literally blow your mind, because this is something that if you see it, you understand where are we now. After the big scam that the Argentinian president did to the whole world, and now finding solutions, and oh yeah, we research, we investigate. Yeah, who do you want to investigate, yourself or what? So there are now people that are saying, and including me, is this maybe the top? Because if there is a president of a country really scamming you, and it was a scam, it was not just, oh yeah, I was confused, oh I don't know what happened, you know, it was a scam because he posted just the contract number. He confirmed to Bloomberg that it is real. So it was not just a confusion, it's a scam. By the way, I'm here in my kitchen. You know, I'm not in jail. This is just the door to the outside. So it's a very dangerous country, Spain. So you have to be aware that nobody comes into your door. No problem. Anyway, many people think, is this a top? I will show you what I think. I will also show you how can you get $30,000, $50 in a bonus. You heard right, $30,000, $50 in a bonus. So stay until the end. I will not take any more time, and let's jump right into the content. So you can see here, by the way, if you don't follow me in Twitter, follow me, because you get very, very interesting, amazing insights. Long-term holders, NULP, this is a not unrealized profit loss ratio. The NULP indicator tracks unrealized gains of long-term Bitcoin holders and his historical peak near market tops. In the bear market and the bull market from 11 to 15 was at 9.8. Okay, the highest point. To 15 to 18 was 97. From 18 to 22, it was 92. So now we're on 77. 77, and we was only 20 days above 75. Okay, so we are still very, very far away from a cycle top. You can see here, it was always blue, blue, blue on the cycle top. Blue. And we are still here, you know, so yeah, I think we are really, really far away. But what are the charts saying? You can see here, I told you that we should open a trade here and then take profit there on the weekly level, but it did not went down. Okay, yeah, I told you this here, but we was already here when I told you to open a trade, so it was not open. But I'm pretty sure we can still go a little lower. If you see it here on the 4-hourly chart, you can see here there's a trend line. There's also my nice drawing. So I think that we are, you see it, we are in a downtrend, you know. We are in a downtrend, and I think that we will go lower. Yeah, it can be always. Normally on a Monday we have a little Monday pump, but I think that we can even test this levels here again, 91. Okay, so yeah, if you open this trade here, you can see on 93.87, yeah, you can see it at 93.913, take the stop loss on 92.450. Okay, very important, never trade without stop loss. And yeah, that's what I see here. As of now, there's no other thing. For a long trade, it's too risky because I don't see strange in the market. You can also see here the volume is decreasing. So yeah, more likely we will go down and from there up then to the weekly level. But now, let me show you something. We have here, oh yeah, melee everywhere. You can get a welcome bonus, okay? You can get a $50 sign-up bonus that you get anyway. You will get $50 sign-up bonus. This is a withdrawable bonus. You can withdraw them even, okay? And then you can get up to $30,000 in deposit bonus. And you can reach the VIP 4 status. You pay less. You pay less transaction fees and so on. So if you are a VIP trader, if you trade high volumes, if you have a lot of money still on the sidelines, you can get up to $30,000 bonus, and you can also get the VIP 4 level. So yeah, that's basically it for today. I hope you enjoyed this short video here out of my kitchen. Stay safe out there. Stay safe. Just try to get the bonus. Okay? I also have written a book, The 10 Meme Coins That Can 15x Your Money in the next 6 months. If you want the book, put me a comment here. Put me a comment and I will DM you later the book, the link. I think it's very interesting. I did a lot of research. I wanted to sell this book on Amazon. Maybe I will do it later, but as of now, I will just offer it to my followers and take advantage of the $30,050 bonus about Bitcoin. Yeah, and enter into my trading group. I mean, this Bitcoin videos that I'm giving you, that's more general, you know, it's not for making money, but in my trading group, we're just killing it. People are making money every single day. So if you're not in my trading group, you're really missing out on a lot of cash. Okay, thank you very much. Have a nice Sunday. Take very much care of your crypto now more than ever, because you see this, that we can still get a lot of upside. You see the unrealized, the net unrealized profit and loss is still very low. So I'm very confident that the bull market is not over and that we will have maybe a final push or maybe even a period, extended period of, higher prices. Who knows? But I'm sure that we are not in a bear market yet. Okay, thank you very much. See you tomorrow. Take very much care of your crypto. See you. Bye.